In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a quiz to your Wix website. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on this in the left-hand menu here. You want to click on the plus, which is the add button. Once you've done that, you can see that you have a search bar at the top right-hand corner. You can simply just type in quiz, and then various apps for your site will pop up, and you can click on this first one, Firebox Quizzes, and you can open that up. The Wix app marketplace will just open now, and then you can click on add to site. And this is a nice app to be able to create interactive quizzes. So I'll click now add to site, and now it's just loading into my website real quick. Okay, so now that that is complete, I can click on settings, and this is where you can customize your quiz. So you can create multiple choice questions and everything like that with this. So click on use a template, and then you can get started. So for this, I will just select a general knowledge quiz, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty interactive. It looks pretty good. So I'll click on use this template, and here is where you customize your quiz. So you put your question here. You can change it by just typing over here, put the different answers and everything like that. Customize it however you would like to. And then once that's done, it'll be saved, and then you can exit out of there. And then your quiz will be embedded onto your website. You can move it around wherever you want to move it to. And that's the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.